Good morning, students. So today I am back with a new lesson. We are going to begin our second lesson today, and the title of the lesson is Foggy Figure. Okay, what is that? Foggy Figure. So what is it about? Isn't it strange name? Foggy Figure. What type of name is this? So let us see what is that. Open your textbooks and turn to page number 10. So, before beginning the story, let me introduce you to the characters of the story. Samir, Sarah and uncle. Who is he? Samir and Sarah are the kids in this story. This is a very interesting story, children. And their uncle is Mr. Amar. Okay, Mr. Amar is their uncle. Samir and Sarah are kids. So, turn to this page, page number 10. Have you seen fog? How does it look? Have you seen fog? Do you know what is the fog? Okay, in the winter season, sometimes if it is extremely cold in the morning times, far away in the morning times we can see fog. Okay, how does it look? Have you ever seen? How does it look? Have you ever heard of a foggy figure? Does that mean a figure which appears in fog? So what is this about foggy figure? Okay, does any figure appears in the fog? So let us know what is this foggy figure. Sounds scary. Also sounds interesting, isn't it? He's saying that it is sounding scary. Is it frightening? What is this figure in the fog? Is something appearing in the fog? Yes, let us see what is that. Samir and Sarah woke up early, though they were vacationing at their uncle's lake house. The night before, Uncle Amar told them about the foggy figure that haunts the lake. So, Samir and Sarah, they woke up early in the morning. So, they are having vacations now. It is their vacation time and they came to their uncle's house. What is the name of the uncle? The name of the uncle is Amar. So, do you go to villages in the vacations, in the summer vacations, in Dasara vacations? Yes? Yes, we all go to the villages. So, Samir and Sarah, they went to their uncle's house. So, their uncle's house is beside a lake. Okay, their uncle's house is beside a lake, L-A-K-E, lake. So, though they are having vacations, they get up early in the morning. Who are getting up early in the morning? Samir and Sarah are getting up early in the morning. So what is the story about? Let us see now. The night before, Uncle Amar told them about the foggy figure that haunts the lake. Okay, what is this haunts? H-A-U-N-T-S. Haunts means visits. So the night before, this Uncle Amar told these children, Samir and Sarah, what did he tell them? He told that every morning a foggy figure haunts the lake. Haunts means visits. What did he tell them? Every morning a foggy figure means a person visits the lake. What is this? Isn't it scary? Let us see. Samir and Sarah were determined to see the ghostly creature before their vacation was over. So these two children, they were very excited now. They became curious. Okay, what is this foggy figure? What comes near the lake? Okay, what is that visiting the lake? They wanted to see. So they determined themselves. Okay, what did they do? They strongly made a decision. Okay, they decided. They made up their mind that they will see what is this foggy figure before their vacation was over. So, what are you thinking, children? Do you see scary cinemas? Yes? Do you see this Kanchana and all? Have you seen? Are they scary? Yes, you might have seen, but let us see what is this foggy figure in the story and who is coming to the lake in the morning times. This uncle told Samir and Sarah that in the morning time, a foggy figure haunts the lake. It means a foggy figure, a person we can't see him clearly in the fog. Okay, that is the foggy figure. So he is visiting the lake. Let us see what is that about. Is it foggy outside? Sarah asked as Samir looked out of the window. Yes, let's go. Samir let go of the curtain and rushed to the door with Sarah behind him. So they woke up early in the morning now. So what did they decided? They have determined that let us go and see to the lake. Let us go to the lake and see what is the foggy figure, who is coming there, who is visiting the lake in the morning times. Foggy, see, we can't see a person when it is fog, okay, when it is in the fog. Can you see the person clearly? No. So they are very curious and excited. So they have decided that let us go and see who is visiting the lake in the fog. So Sarah is asking, Samir, is it foggy outside? So she is asking to her brother, is it foggy? Then what is Samir answering? Yes, let's get up now. Let us go and see what is that. Samir let go of the curtain and rushed to the door with Sarah behind him. So they got up early in the morning and now they are rushing towards the lake. Okay, Sarah is walking behind Samir and they are moving towards the lake. Let us see what happened. It was only 5 a.m. so everyone else in the house was still asleep. As they crept through the kitchen to the back door, Sarah sniffed the air. It had the faint scent of hot chocolate and something sweet. So at what time did they wake up, children? It was only 5 a.m. Okay, the other persons, the other elders in the home, they were still asleep and Samir and Sarah, they woke up. They are coming out slowly so that the other persons may not wake up. So they came through the kitchen door. They are walking out slowly. What happened there? They were passing through the kitchen door. Sarah sniffed the air. What is the meaning of sniffed, children? Inhaled. Okay, she got some sweet and hot chocolate smell. Okay, she sniffed the air means inhaling like this. Okay, she got some sweet smell when she was passing through the kitchen door. Sarah sniffed the air. It had the faint scent of hot chocolate and something sweet. She ignored it and followed Samir to the door. So she ignored that. Okay, she did not went into the kitchen to see what was the smell because they were very curious to see who is that person, why is he coming there, why is he coming to the lake in the fog, in the fog. So they are very curious to know and many questions are running in their mind as well. They went to the boat dock. Okay, they went to the boat dock. What is this boat dock, children? A place where boats are kept. Okay, this is the place where boats are kept. Boat dock. Okay, we are having bus stop, auto stand, railway station. Similarly, we have boat dock, a place where the boats are kept. Okay, they went to the boat dock. The fog had settled over the lake, making it possible to see anything. So it is in the morning time, so the fog was also there. So the lake was full of fog. We can't see each other. The situation was in such a way that we can't see each other's face in the fog. Do you see anything? Sarah asked, leaning forward for a closer look. So Sarah is leaning forward like this and asking Samir, Samir, do you see anything? Nothing. Do you think Uncle Amar was just trying to scare us with that story? Asked Samir. What is Samir replying? No, I am unable to see anything. So nothing is there here. What do you think? Uncle Amar might have just told like that. Okay, he might be joking. Do you think he told us he was kidding? So nothing. Do you think Uncle Amar was just trying to scare us with that story? Now Samir is asking that Uncle Amar might have been scaring us. He might be just saying us like that. Uncle Amar did have a good imagination. He had been telling Samir and Sarah stories for years, but this was the first scary story ever. Sarah had a feeling it wasn't made up. So what happened? And now they are talking to each other that our Uncle Amar is having good imagination. He tells us a number of stories, but this is the first scary story he told us. What do you think? We can't see anything here. Let us see what is that about. Sarah shook her head. Remember what Uncle Amar said? The foggy figure haunts the lake. We are on the dock. Maybe that's why we can't see him. The people in the story were in boats. So what happened? Sarah shook her head, and what is she saying? Samir, do you remember what did Uncle Amar told us yesterday? He said that the foggy figure haunts the lake. But we are waiting here in the boat dock. That is why we are unable to see the foggy figure. So let us get into the boat. Okay. Let us get into the water and go to the lake side. Then we can come to know what is that about. So they were discussing that this Uncle Amar might have told them a story just to scare them. Then what did Sarah remember? She remembered that what is this uncle told? That foggy figure haunts the lake. Okay. The foggy figure is visiting lake, but they are not at the lake side. That is why they are deciding to get into the boat and get into the water and go to the lake side so that they could see what is this figure about. So isn't it very interesting, children? So in the next video, let us see, are they going into the lake? Are they getting into the water? Will they be able to see this figure? What is it about? So thank you, children. Let us see in the next video.